Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my vlog. And today we'll be doing a home COVID testing. So here's the swab. I just unboxed it. Apologies for the dirty room. So now we're gonna be doing the swabbing. So circular motion in each nostril. So you'll be able to get it accurately. After getting the specimen from my nose, just put it in the solution. So I was just trying to read some of the information in the guide and then just swirl around the solution just to get more mixed with the solution in. So that's how you usually do it. Make sure to have them mixed together. And after doing that, next thing to do is tightly seal the capsule using, there's a dropper. With that, so when you put drops of the solution into the testing kit, it would not spill over. So with this one, you see the letters C and T. So the line under C must appear when the solution passes through the film, so that it would mean that the sample is valid. Based on the guide, it says 4 drops. So I just did what is told in the drops in the instruction, and then just did 4 and then waited for it to its thing. I am amazed, at the same time extremely anxious about the result because I don't want to be positive with COVID. Now you are seeing the line appearing under C. It means my sample is valid, and I'm just waiting for it to do its thing. After 15 minutes, still no line under T, meaning we're still negative.